Speak one line which I wanted to speak in front of the AAP representative, and this is, I'll beg pardon of all the audience who is here right now, because this is what I'm going to speak is not what the stature which I hold or generally shouldn't be spoken. But generally there are one animal called as frog which starts making one noise, and people in the earlier age when there was no metallurgical department is to understand that there are rains which are going to come. So when Kejriwal starts doing dharna and starts wearing muffler, people know there is elections which are going to come. He did the same drama baji earlier, and now he's doing the same thing. Do you tell me any sensible chief minister, any sensible minister, will he have a loggerhead with his counterparts, or will he have a loggerheads with his staff or his secretaries? I don't see this. This is the first time in my matured life or in the known history of India where a chief minister has this kind of relationship with his bureaucrats. He has problem with LG, he has problems with bureaucrats, he has problem with the prime minister.
But a lot of
he has problem with everybody. Then who is with him only except that 60 people? He has problem. He has also problem with his own party men. Where is Kumar Vishwas right now? If you see,
we're not discussing their internal politics. There we can see visuals of those chief ministers actually arriving at the residence of Mr. Kejriwal.
He's made a mockery of this position called a chief minister. I'm very sorry. He has brought this office so down. I think Mr. Kejriwal has to answer the people of Delhi. When Delhi is facing acute water shortage, there is electricity problem, there is air pollution which is going on. If you see the fire hazard in Hauj Khas, these are all the issues which he should have addressed. Now, while he is not doing that, he is sitting on dharna. And why? Because Anshu Prakash, one of the bureaucrats, I think probably he was not
the chief secretary.
Yeah, he was handled. So, does a political party handle people like this? If there are differences of opinion, you can discuss it. If a chief minister says he cannot go along with all the bureaucrats, say you may have difference with one individual, but you cannot have difference with all the entire bureaucracy. That means there is some problem with him. Rather than going and doing dharna, he should have apologized. He should have said कि हो गया हमसे गलती, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. So he's not.
But now it's gone beyond that. He's got the support of four chief ministers who say that he's not being allowed to function, which is the main point that he's making. The IS officers remain on strike. He claims it's at the behest of the Prime Minister's office.
Does he want to say that the entire IS lobby is a subset of Bharatiya Janata Party?